Alright, technique 23. Magnet and ball. Make the object stick to the magnet when it gets close. No, Nick Flats. Actually, one place Super Mario Maker 2. I'm telling you, technique 23. Magnet and ball. Like I said, that freaking assembly dojo looked like we just playing WarioWare D.I.Y. The target tied up travel can be extremely handy. Of course, you can make objects target stationary objects, but you can also make them target and follow moving objects. The magnet in this challenge doesn't have a particularly difficult travel pattern, but you may sometimes have an object with unpredictable travel pattern that you want another object to follow. Using the target action is made for that kind of thing. By doing so, you can even change